नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं शशिकांत हूं और आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत है। आज हम एक ऐसे विषय पर चर्चा करेंगे जो हर किसी के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है, क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि इंटरव्यू में आमतौर पर कौन से सवाल पूछे जाते हैं, इन सवालों के जवाब कैसे दिए जाएं, और एक सफल इंटरव्यू के लिए और क्या-क्या जरूरी है। Question: What do you understand by scour depth? Answer: It is the maximum depth of riverbed scour caused by erosion force of base flood discharge. Question: How do you work out scour depth theoretically? Answer: It is determined by Lacey formulae. Normal depth of scour are C, QF. C constant, Q designed flood discharge, F silt factor 1.76 D, D particle size in mm. Question: How do you measure scour depth practically when the pier is underwater? Answer: It is determined by actual measurement on ground by soundings, using heavy plumb or physical measurements using long bamboo. Question: Which IRC code governs the design of pile foundations? Answer: IRC 78 governs the design of pile foundation. Pile foundation can be of end-bearing, friction piles or combination of both. Question: What do you understand by grip length? What is the minimum grip length? Answer: The depth of the bottom of well foundation below the lowest scour level is known as grip length. The minimum grip length is 1.2 m for piers. Question: What are the various types of girders for bridges? Answer: Various type of bridge girders are RCC girder, PSC pretension girder, PSC post tension girder, PSC box girder, composite girder, bowstring girder, etc. Question: What do you understand by PSC girder? Answer: Full form of the PSC is pre-stressed concrete. Here PSC girder stands for a girder in which desired compressive stress is induced in the girder to contract designed live load and dead load. Question: What all you will check before launching in PSC girder? Answer: Checkpoints are as follows. 1. The girder shall be checked visually for any cracks on surface, etc. 2. Hogging shall be checked to ensure it is within permissible limit. 3. Complete barricading of the area shall be ensured for safety. 4. The site of erection and the approach to be leveled, dressed and rolled, if required, so that the machineries whiz, cranes and trailers move and can be placed on S-firm ground in correct position. 5. All lifting tackles whiz, slings, deshackle, U-clamp ropes and temporary packing with wooden block etc. to be checked regarding the quality soundness and kept near site. 6. Bridge bearing location over bearing pedestal has to be checked. 7. Temporary girder arresting arrangement after launching need to be ensured to avoid falling of girder. 8. Entire movement area of girder has to be cordoned for the movement of workforce and general public. Question: What are the various types of pile testing? Answer: Basically there are two types of pile testing. 1. Initial load test. 2. Routine load test. Question: Why do you carry out pile load testing? Answer: We do pile load testing to find out load carrying capacity of the pile. Initial pile load testing is done to find out the ultimate load carrying capacity of the pile. And routine load test is done to ensure design load. Question: How much is the minimum longitudinal gradient kept in bridges? Answer: As per IRC 5, maximum longitudinal gradient shall be, the recommended value of ruling gradient for plain or rolling terrain is 1 in 30 or 3.3% and cross slope shall be as per highway slope. Question: What do you understand by high performance concrete? Answer: High performance concrete, HPC, is designed for at least one following outstanding property: A. Compressive strength, DO, workability, theme, enhance resistance to chemical or mechanical stress. Usually, water-cement ratio is kept 0.2. Question: What is difference between quality assurance quality control? Answer: Quality control can be defined as part of quality management focused on fulfilling quality requirements, while quality assurance relates to how a process is performed or how a product is made. Question: What do you understand by Proctor test and modified Proctor test? Answer: Proctor test is a process of finding optimum moisture content, OMC, at which highest density can be achieved through compaction. Modified Proctor test is performed to know the characteristics of soil through compaction with change in water content, ultimately giving us the relation between soil moisture content and dry density of soil. Question: What do you understand by work zone traffic management plan? Answer: the measures taken in the construction zone to ensure safety and smooth movement of traffic is called Work Zone Traffic Management Plan, IRC, SP 55. Following are considered: A. Safety for road users and workers. B. Minimum hindrance for delay to road users. C. Clear guidance to road users to avoid confusion. D. Roadside safety by barricading. E. This is achieved by proper road signs, barricading, flag system for regulating traffic movements, traffic cones, hazard markers, retro-reflective painting, for night signs, etc. Question: what do you understand by tilting and shifting in well foundation? What are their permissible limits? Answer: shifting and tilting occur generally during the sinking phase of well foundations. The inclination of the axis of well from vertical is called tilting. The limit is 1 in 80. The horizontal displacement of central of well at its base from designed location is called shifting. The limit is 150 mm. Question: understand by rating of bridges as per IRC code? Answer: it is a procedure for assessing the strength, evaluating the safe load carrying capacity and provide information about rating and posting of bridge to owners. Code of practice for determining the rating is IRC, SP 372010. Rating and posting of a bridge are desirable for all old and new bridges. It becomes essential to do so when: A. The design live load is less than that of the heaviest statutory commercial vehicle plying or likely to ply on the bridge. B. The design live load is not known. C. Where records and drawings are not available. D. The bridge, during inspections, routine or special, is found to indicate distress of serious nature leading to doubts about its structural and/or functional adequacy. Question: what do you understand by calming measures? Answer: traffic calming measures are to make road safer so that drivers are forced to slow down. These are: speed humps, center island, realignment, traffic circle, entryways, speed table, raised crosswalk, lane narrowing, median barriers, etc. Question: what do you understand by special vehicle loading? How much is the special vehicle loading? Answer: special vehicle loading may be defined as over-dimension consignment, ODC. Overweight consignments, OWC. The special vehicle loading as per Morse circular is 385 tons. Question: what do you understand by composite girders? Answer: bridges where the concrete deck slabs and the main girders of steel work together to resist loads are called composite girder bridges. Question: what are the various safety measures you will take during construction of bridges, viaducts? Ans.ikis the various safety measures you will take during construction of bridges, viaducts. A. Provide training before tool use or heavy equipment operation. B. Assess each site to identify and minimize dangers. C. Require every worker to wear protective equipment. D. Implement practices for safe site visits. E. Investigate how to reduce fatigue. Q.Bice what are the various IRC codes referred in bridge construction? Ans.Bice the various IRC codes referred in bridge construction. Ek provision for general features of design IRC, 5 section 8. Do provision for loads and stress IRC, 6 section 2. Teen provision for working stress method IRC, 21 and IS, 456. Char provision for limit state method IRC, 112 and IS, 456. 5 provision for dead load IS, 875 part 1. 6 provision for live load IS, 875 part 2. 7 provision for wind load IS, 875 part 3. 8 provision for snow load IS, 875 part 4. 9 provision for special load and load combination IS, 875 part V. 10 provision for seismic load IS, 1893. Question: what is the design life of structures? Answer: all components are designed for 100 years. Question: what is the design load for structures? Answer: the design load and stresses are as per IRC, 6. Question: design discharge of bridges is for how many years? Answer: design discharge is for flood of 100 years return period. Question: what are the various types of foundations for bridges? Answer: 1. Open foundations, 2. Pile foundations, 3. Well foundations, 4. Raft foundations. Question: what is grade separator? Answer: the structure through which the traffic flows at different levels are called grade separated structures. Example: VUP, VOP, WUP, SWUP, ROB, RUB. Question: what are vertical and horizontal clearance for underpasses? Answer: vehicle underpass, vertical 5.5 meter, horizontal 20 meter. WUP, light VUP, vertical 4.0 meter, horizontal 12 meter. SWUP, smaller VUP, vertical 4.0 meter, horizontal 7 meter.